Hello friends, welcome to Learn It by Fun, tutorial number 10. So friends, today's point of discussion is how we are going to store a file into the database. So friends, our today's point of discussion is how we are going to store a file into a database. In the last tutorial, we already discussed how to store an image file into the database. Today's point of discussion is how we are going to store a text file into the database. So friends, to store a large volume of data as well as the text file into a table, we will use this glob data type friends. This glob data type will help us to declare the variable in which we want to store the file object. So friends, this glob stands for character large object. So friends, it is such similar to that blob object which we were creating at the time of storing an image file friends. That blob stands for binary large object and this stands for character large object. We were there storing, or we were converting the binary information, we were packaging the binary information. Here we will be packaging the character information into a file. So friends, now the very first step is loading a file into a file object. So friends, what we will do, we will create a file object. So friends, what we will do, we will create a file object and we will pass our file path. So friends, here we need to specify which text file we want to load into the database. This we need to specify here. Now friends, after loading, what we need to do, we need to read data from file object f. So friends, we need to read data from this file object. So friends, for this we need a special or another class, that is FileReader. So friends, we will be creating a FileReader object and we will be storing the loaded file into a FileReader. So friends, after the FileReader is reading the file object f, now what we need to do, we need to read data from FileReader and next we need to send it to the specified column of the table. So what we will be doing, we will be calling the setCharacterStream, my friends. We are calling the setCharacterStream methods. So friends, what by the help of this PreparedStatement object friend, we will be calling the setCharacterStream method, and in this method we will pass the column index as the first parameter, the FileReader object as the second parameter, and last one is f.length. It will return the size of the length, my friend. F.length gives the size of the file or just a file length. Now friend, this was about the methods. So first method is loading a file into file object. Next one is to read data from file object f, connect it to file reader. Next one is to read data from file reader and send it to the specified column of the table. We will be calling the setCharacterStream by the help of the PreparedStatement reference. Now friends, we will take a quick example. So friends, we have imported the SQL package. We have also taken one IO package. Next one is under class JDBC under main. We have just created two reference globally. One is connection reference and PreparedStatement reference, and we have declared it as null. Next, when we are loading the driver, we are creating the connection. If we are checking that connection is established, if connection is established, then friend, we are calling the PreparedStatement method of the PreparedStatement interface with the help of this connection reference, and we are storing the result in pst, means the PreparedStatement object. Now friends, what is our query? Our query is update myfile. This is the table name friend. My file is a table name. So friends, update into my file, set col1 is equals to the parameter marker. This friend I need to supply. Okay friends, by the setX method I will be supplying this call1, and next one where call to is equals to 100. So friends, this query is specifying that it need to set the column 1 to the specified value where the column 2 value is 100. Now friends, after, if we are checking if the prepare statement object we have created is not null, it means the prepare statement object created. Now friends, what we are doing, we are loading the file. So friends, with the help of this file object, we are reading the file, we are loading the file, and with the help of this file reader, we are reading the file object f. And now friends, after reading the file object f, now we need to read it and send it to the specified column. So friends, here we are sending it to column number 1, and here we are passing the file reader reference fr because we have read the file here. And now we are also converting this f.length because friend it is set character stream, so its return type is char. So friends, we are just converting this to integer type. Next friends, I am giving one println message to print the size of an image file, text file. We are just f.length we are calling so that it will just tell us about the length of the file. Next, with the help of this prepare statement object, we are executing the execute update method, and we are storing the result in I. And if our program is successfully compiled, so it will show number of rows affected. Now friends, we have handled the exceptions under catch, and finally we have closed the connection prepare statement object, and we have also closed the connection reference. Now friends, let us run the program. But before running the program, I want to show you the structure of my table. So friend, my structure will be like this: file name. Okay friends, this is my file name. So friends, here I have first column as column 1, second column as column 2. So my friend, first column data type is clock, and the second column data type is number. Now friend, what I'm trying to do, I have specified this file. Okay friends, in my text file I have specified, I have loaded this file into the file object, that is f. I have loaded this file initially. So friends, let us see, is this coming in our actual database after execution of the program or not. So friends, we will be compiling this program, java space file.java, successfully compiled, java space class name. So friends, here is the output: the connection established, prepare statement object created, file size is equals to 34, and here friends it is saying that 0 records affected. So let me see what is the problem. So friends, this table doesn't contain any data. So friends, initially we need to supply the data. So friends, SQL workshop, you need to go to SQL commands. Here write insert into, what is our file name, my file, volume 2, values that is 100. So friends, one row. Okay friend, now we will again file the program, will again. Now friends, finally we have succeeded. So friends, connection established, prepare statement object created, here file size is 34 and one row affected. Let us see in our database. So friends, SQL workshop, object browser, here you need to type your file name, that was file name. Now data. So friends, here you can see the result: hello, welcome to Learn It by Fun. So friends, let us verify with our actual text document: hello friend and welcome to Learn It by Fun. So friends, this is how we can store the large text data or the large text file into our database. This is about the storing of data into the database. Now friends, in the next tutorial I will be discussing about how we are going to retrieve the file from the database. For the time being, stay tuned to Learn It by Fun. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any comment or if you have any query, then please do comment in the comment section. I am providing you with the Java codes in the description panel. So friends, we want your support as it is a new channel. So to build up, to grow up more and more, we need your support. So friends, thank you. Bye bye.